to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Let me update your board here. I did this already when I came in to assess, but I need to know your name and date of birth, please.
Garrett Cotton, 12/20/1988.
Great, thank you. And it looks like you need some medication this morning. So before I do that, I need to get your vital signs and your blood pressure because you're doing your lisinopril. So I need to do that before. So go over here. This working, and while that's going, let me take your temperature, please. All right. 98.6. That's great. And your BP is, your blood pressure is 125/86 with a heart rate of 82. And your O2 on room air is 98%. It looks like in your chart you had a blood pressure check or a blood sugar check this morning, and it was 110. So you will not be needing your insulin this morning.
Okay.
But it looks like your blood pressure is high enough for the lisinopril. So I'm going to go out and get your medication and then come back and talk to you about what you need to know. Are you in any pain right now?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay. Do you need anything else before I go and get the medication?
No, thank you.
All right. Okay. Logging into Texas. Username and password. And now I am checking the chart. Looks like it is Smith Thomas, date of birth 03/14/19XX, and that is correct. And he needs fluticasone 100 micrograms and salmeterol 50 micrograms, 1 puff daily. And the Pyxis says that, and I'm checking against the paper, and that is correct. And he just needs one of those. The drawer pops open. I get the ad there, and then I'm going to place a sticker on it. Okay, and it looks like the next medication, since we're not doing the insulin, is the lisinopril 20 micrograms PO daily. And because the blood pressure was 125 above 100, we're going to give that today. Check the Pyxis. It looks like they're 10 microgram pills, so I need 2 of those. And that popped out. I'm going to place them in this little cup. I'm going to get them out here. Put the sticker on it. And the next medication we need is the heparin for the blood thinners, and it says he needs 5,000 milliliters subcutaneously today at 8 a.m. Okay, my heparin. And let's go ahead and put the sticker on that as well. Okay, I have my medication, and I'm going to be logging off of the Pyxis. I'm going to go back into my patient's room.
Come in.
Hi, I know I did this earlier, but in order to stay safe, I need you to repeat your name and date of birth for me, please.
Yes, it's Garrett Cotton, 12/20/1988.
Okay, and I have there. And do you have any allergies?
No allergies.
Let me check your chart. Sorry, you must have forgotten. It looks like you have an allergy to sulfa, so I won't be giving that to you today. What I am going to be giving you is first your Advair, which is probably what you would know it by. It is for your COPD.
Okay.
And I'm going to first wash my hands, put gloves on. And what you do is it's a disc, and I'm going to open it here, and you're going to hear a clicking sound. You're going to keep open the other side too, and you're going to keep it flat because it's a powdered medication. I'm going to ask you to blow all your air out, and then I'm going to put this to your mouth, and you're going to suck air in. We're going to count to 10, and then I'll take it out, and then you can swish your mouth out and spit it.
Okay.
So blow all your air out, please. Blow in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blow out, please. And you can squish your mouth out. To really do that, so just kind of, and then pretend to spit. Thank you. Now, before I give you your pills, I want you to go ahead and take a sip of water and swallow it this time. Make sure that everything feels good with that.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to give you your lisinopril now. There are 2 tablets. Can you take those together?
Yes.
Okay, and this is your blood pressure medication. Thank you.
Thanks.
Welcome. And the last thing I'm going to do is give you your heparin injection, but I need to verify this dose with another nurse. So I'll be back in just a second.
Okay.
Can you show us some here? That looks good. Already have my gloves on. I'm going to go ahead and cut this shot for you. It is going to go on your abdomen, and I'm going to use a 25 gauge needle.
Okay.
Cleaning the top medication. Then get my stuff together. Open this. Go ahead and open the needle and attach it. The syringe carefully. 5,000 units. Okay. Then I'm going to carefully cap the needle. Okay. And I'm going to need to lift your shirt and use the alcohol prep here to clean a portion. And use my 25 gauge needle and pinch the skin up for the object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. I'll clean this up. Grab your chart. If you're not in any pain, do you need anything before I go?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay. Before I go, I'm going to point you to your call light. If you need anything, please let me know.
Okay.
And you have all your medications. Thank you.
Thank you.